Most people pass through massive structures every day without ever thinking about the engineers behind them. But some civil engineering jobs carry responsibilities so heavy that one mistake can affect thousands of lives. Number 2, bridge engineers. Every day, thousands of people cross bridges without fear. Cars, buses, trucks. Entire cities depend on these structures to keep moving. But behind every bridge, there are engineers calculating weight, vibration, wind pressure, and structural stress. Because bridges are constantly under pressure, and if something is overlooked, the results can become catastrophic. History has already shown bridges collapsing without warning. And when bridges fail, people suddenly remember the engineers responsible for them. But perhaps one of the heaviest responsibilities belongs to number 1, dam engineers. Dams control enormous amounts of water every single day. They provide electricity, prevent floods, support entire communities. But behind the concrete walls of every dam, there is pressure powerful enough to destroy entire towns if something goes wrong. That is why dam engineers constantly monitor cracks, water pressure, structural movement, and possible weaknesses. Because a single failure can trigger massive flooding within minutes. And the terrifying part? Most people living near dams never think about it. They sleep peacefully, while engineers quietly carry the responsibility in the background. But this is the reality of civil engineering. The world depends on structures people rarely notice. And behind those structures are engineers carrying invisible pressure every day. Deadlines, responsibility, human safety, because unlike many careers, engineering mistakes do not always stay on paper. Sometimes they become disasters remembered for years. And maybe that is the hidden weight civil engineers carry, to build structures strong enough for society, while knowing that thousands of lives may one day depend on every decision